is going on, my YouTube friends? Today is a DIY video. Yes, it is. You're going to get a kick out of this one because never in your life would you ever think I would be doing this. Right. So we went and got some of these little pails, these pumpkin pails, and we are going to make something out of them. Are you ready? All right, let's turn this around and see what we got going on. Taking these solar lights and we're dropping them down in the pumpkin. Yeah, buddy. Fits just right. These are like about 5 inches, maybe give or take a little more or less. But then we put that in there, and then when you light it up, it makes a pumpkin. So this is what we get. Yeah, buddy. Stick your hand on top there, honey. You put your hand in there. When it gets dark, you have solar pumpkin lights. So let me get the rest of these things done, and we'll bring it back outside, and we'll show you what we got. I got my little pumpkin pail here, my little trick-or-treat pumpkin pail. I did 10 of these guys. At first is what I did. I was slicing them with the razor knife, one this way, but it just didn't work as well. So is what I'm doing now is taking a 1-inch hole drill, sticking it right here, and drilling in there. But as what I do, you can see I got it in a little bag here, so I can wrap the little bag around it, and I can get all my shavings and stuff inside the bag. So let me set this down, and I'll bring you right back after I drill the hole, because I got to hold this because this thing spins. So I got the hole drilled in there, empty. You see I got the little shavings in there instead of all over the kitchen table, because you know, I don't want to get beat up by the wife. And then I get me my little pole here, get it out. Got my pole here, and what I'll do, I'll slide it in there. This has got the stake that sticks in the ground here, and then I'll flip that around, and then I'll set my light in there. So let me get this set up, and I'll bring you right back. When I first started doing this, man, I was taking this, and I was making an X in here, and then sliding the pole through. And yeah, that wasn't the right way to do it. So now, like I says, use my hole drill a hole in it. We got her done, baby. We got her done. Sorry, I got the phone sitting up on that pumpkin right there. So is what I'll do. I'll slide this through here, like so. Put it in there. And then I'll take the light, slide it in here. And it fits right on there just like a hat. You know what I'm saying? Pretty nice, huh? Pretty cool. Then I'll take this, take a vampire in the heart, and then you got that. So then is what I do, I take zip ties, because you know, we can reuse these lights in the summertime and stuff like that around the porch or down the sidewalk or whatever it is. We don't actually have a sidewalk, but you know, and just kind of zip this around there. So get this in there, put it around, put the zip tie on there, which you can't see me because the phone's too high. And then make sure that zip tie's tight, baby. Oh yeah, make sure it's tight. And then that's what I'll do. You see the zip tie? I'll take and I will snip that off. And then, ta-da! We got a pumpkin light. Pretty cool. I seen this on TikTok or somewhere, man, and I'm like, I told the wife, I said, hey, I'm gonna do that. We don't get trick-or-treaters, nothing like that around here, but we get people driving up and down. They'll see it. So, guys, take her easy. And hey, I appreciate you watching. So I got some upside-down pumpkins, and the lights are on. Pretty cool, huh? So anyhow, these are the solar pumpkin lights, man. And I dig it. I put these things together. It didn't take, I did 10 of them. It didn't take long. Like I said, I started using a knife, and I would like do a cross and then slide that stuff through. And I'm like, yeah, this ain't working out too well. So I went out there and got the handy dandy drill and hole drill, drilled the holes. Works much better. And like I says, and I put this bag around there. I'm sitting at the kitchen table, and I put that in there, and it gets all the shavings and everything inside the bag. I mean, don't get me wrong, I had to pick up a few crumbs, but we got her done. And I had my other little bag. You guys know I use these bags a lot for garbage. So yeah, it didn't make much of a mess. And let me turn this thing around. I figure I'd do this right here to show you guys exactly what I did. These are the ones that I drilled, and these are the ones that I cut with the knife. So the ones that I drilled were much better, much neater. But yeah, there's some upside down pumpkins. Yeah, buddy. Hey, you know what? I might be able to edit this and flip them around. We'll see how the wife went up to go get some hay bales so she can set up her little Halloween stuff out front. Like I says, we don't get trick-or-treaters, but we get a lot of people drive by. And there are kids that live up and down the road, but we ain't got no sidewalks, so they don't trick-or-treat. But you never know, we got more kids than usual, so maybe we should buy some bags of candy just in case, huh? Yeah, buddy. We usually spend the day over at my son's house and hand out candy there, but we'll see what happens with this. But anyhow, guys, I appreciate you watching. I know this is something different from my channel, but I figure, you know what? Let me share this with these people because I'm telling you what, they might want to do it themselves. It's kind of cheap to do. I think it's probably $10 a light, you know, by the time you buy the pumpkins like, you know, $1.89 or something like that at Walmart. And then the lights, I think we paid, shoot, I don't know, man, maybe $10 a piece or $8 a piece or something. I don't know what she paid for them. She paid for them. I didn't. I just put everything together. All right, guys, I appreciate each one. You guys are awesome. And if you guys, anybody tells you any different, you tell them, come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. And it turns nighttime, we'll do a little pumpkin show. Yeah, buddy.